They say practice makes a man perfect. And why practicing braking exercise is so important for you? In this video, we'll talk about that, and I will tell you why it is really important for you to not just practice riding but also stopping. So stay tuned. Anyone can be fast in riding a motorcycle. You just need to go up the gears or even slightly slow down and come down to a lower gear. But it requires exceptional finesse to stop the motorcycle in case of an emergency. And you do that not just by riding and then stopping. You do that with practice. So here is why you need to practice braking exercise. Emergency braking is not something which you will do and then practice. Emergency situations can be really tricky and it might be very detrimental to your life as well. So you need to practice, and that will happen only when you find empty space and go down, practice braking. So emergency situation requires finesse rather than luck. In case of an emergency, you will not get a time to understand, assess a situation and then apply the braking. It will happen so fast that you will not know what has happened. So please make sure that you practice. A very important thing at the time of an emergency is that people panic. Yeah, it happens with me as well. Everyone panics. However, at that point of time, you need to stay cool. How will you stay cool? Only by developing muscle memory. And muscle memory will develop only with practice, which is why go ahead and ride. And I'm saying not just ride, practice. Practice riding, practice braking, practice all the exercises. So go ahead, get yourself trained, not just with me, but from any other certified instructor, so that you can level up and make sure that you enjoy the ride. I hope this video was nice. I tried something new this time. So please feel free to share your comments in the comment section below. I would love to know what all things you want me to prepare videos on, and you will get to see some more good content coming from my side, at least good which I feel, and you will hopefully be able to enjoy. Thank you so much. See you soon.